In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add links to images in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to open a new tab and you're going to type in IMGBB. Select the first link which says IMGBB upload image free image hosting. Once the page is open, select Start Uploading. Once you found the image, select Open. Go to the bottom, choose Upload. Afterwards, it's going to give you a little link at the bottom. Simply copy it, open a new tab, and paste it in the search bar. Then right-click on the image and select Open Image in New tab. Then you're going to go back to your spreadsheet, then select a cell, and we are going to use the simple function. So I'm going to copy it, right-click, select Copy, go back to the spreadsheet, so where it says FX, next to that, right-click and select Paste. Then you're going to enter in the website link over here. So here it is, simply copy it, go back to the spreadsheet, delete this part where it says enter URL here, and paste. Then where it says enter image address here, we are going to delete that as well. Then we're going to go back to that image that we opened in a new tab, right-click, select copy image link, then go back and paste it between the two quotation marks, and select enter. Select Allow Access. And here it is. That is how you can add an image to your spreadsheet using a link. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.